the issue of credibility. Okay? Kanina pinag-usapan po natin. Sabi niyo iba yung scenario ngayon. Ako naman, I would like to describe it as a different context altogether. We know for a fact that the credibility of the House has taken a big hit because of the flood control scandal. And we know that the impeachment process is not just
That's
legal,
correct.
but also political. Basically, impression dito, teka, anong kaya nito mga kongresista na magpa-impeach o mag-impeach? Eh sila nga
Mhm.
mismo eh. Ang dami-dami sa kanila contractor. Ang dami-dami sa kanila na-involve sa pandarambong. Tapos ngayon, hindi naman porke may constitutional duty sila na gawin yan, eh hindi ibig sabihin na hindi bagsak ang kanilang credibility. So to basically summarize the question, ano po yung K ng Kongreso to do that?
Well, first and foremost, Christian, no? In all fairness dun sa mga under investigation na House members, cases are still under investigation, no? Meron tayong sinasabing presumption of innocence, no? That's one.
Mm.
Second, hindi naman po lahat ng members ay alleged to be involved in this controversy. As a matter of fact, maliit na numero lang sila compared to the total House membership. We are 313. And if we will be naming these people, no, they're just few of the total House membership. And third, I hope the people of the Philippines will be convinced that the members of the Justice Committee, and I hope the rest of the members of the House of Representatives, we are conscious about our faith and allegiance to the sovereign Filipino people. No? Again, Christian, we cannot please everyone. As much as we wanted to not only to be credible, but to appear credible in the eyes of the public, palaging subject tayo sa different perceptions, no? We will be very, very faithful in our mandate to the Constitution. But in spite of that, Christian, I know that there will be people who will be believing otherwise. No, the least we can do is to remain honest and faithful in as far as this impeachment process is concerned. And I hope that we will be able to come up with a determination of probable cause, which is not only acceptable in itself. I hope it will be acceptable also in the eyes of the public.